police. Baby police. Baby police. Baby police.
Dada, now what do you know? Dada, oh, give me some. Why you want to give your mother hypertension? Why you want to give your uncle a heart attack? Because of your durong and wahala is. When you don't carry your wahala from village on transparent.
Okay, that one. Go.
Baby police, boy police, baby police, chicken police, baby police.
I tell you to stop you drive.
Baby, your mama no say that for this kind of show.
See they had a talk.
Huh? It is this place na drama stage.
Shut up! Roger, too quick. I don't get time to waste with you here.
Roger.
Shut, Roger. Give me that thing. Enter your car, move.
My friend, enter this car. Very foolish man, enter this car. We don't want to come here. Enter this car.
Go, carry this car. Come for us.
Dada, this is where they come the big motor. How we go do it now?
Share this one. Yes. This one feel be big man, big trouble for us. But then you remember that be at a lot, eh? Put down.
It be like say now woman they drive am.
I beg Pablo, stop him.
Yes, sir. I beg, brother Roger. Roger, oh, fast.
Perfect. I can't go put this photo.
I say, what is this?
Roger.
What is this? Are you acting some kind of drama here or what?
Yes, thank you, Mrs. Headmistress. You were supposed to be in school, they teach people. You carry your motor to work for here. I beg, Roger, me. Too quick.
Come, who are you? And what right do you have to stop me on the road?
Yes, thank you for your question. I'm baby police. The baby police force of Nigeria. Roger, me, I don't get time to waste here. Do. Sharp. Don't get time.
Sure. Baba?
Huh?
Baba? Okay. Once you go to the police, you see. Okay.
Baby police, police bomboy. Baby police, small picking police, baby police, bomboy police, baby police, small picking police, baby police.
Hey, come here. I said come back.
Dada, now what do you
I know. I'm a great person. Yes. What's in there for your head? Yes.
This is not be human being we want why buy from market.
We won. What the receipt?
Receipt?
Yes.
Before they get receipt. I wonder.
No. No, they get receipt. You know, say na human the body carry for her.
This is now we want, no be human.
But what you carry?
As you can see me with my girlfriend.
You with your girlfriend? Hey! Number 1 offense.
Which offense?
gears and they charge you for overload.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Oh yeah, search them. Search her.
I beg, take am easy now. Take am easy.
Search
No,
this
touch
one.
me like that, I beg. Bro, stop to romance me now. Wait till stop am.
Hey! Offense number 2.
Which offense?
For romancing a police officer.
I be 9 days romance me.
Search him.
Mr. Take it easy.
Offense number 3.
What does that mean?
For harassing a police officer. Release yourself. My friend, what do you wear?
Sure, cool.
Hey! Offense number 4.
Which offense be this one again?
For seducing a police officer. Hey, hands up. All of you now, hands up.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Search them.
My friend, take it easy, Joe.
Drop your bag, one by one, drop your bag.
Why that's a 500?
Hey, what? Officer.
Hey! The greatest offense. The offense number 5.
Which offense be this one again?
Yes. For carrying count of the water for roads, adultery and fornication.
Government road.
Hey! My friend, hands up.
Boys, for my own protection now.
Hey! My friend, all of you now, lie down.
Or you Roger. Lie down parallel. Lie down.
Marry the grant.
Lie down.
Stop you.
Lie down.
Carry this in the protect yourself.
Oh yeah.
Go set a hair, Roger.
Take.
What that condom first? What that condom?
Thank you very much. Roger.
Cool down.
Bring the condom. Bring the condom. Now down, Roger.
I don't know, Roger.
I'm not gonna begin to go. Now they go. Move.
Officer, the condom now they use to protect myself now. Beg.
Yes, shut up. They go. Hold on here. Oh, what do you want to come do?
No, wow.
Charge you for overload. The 33 days they walk up for this lonely road. Look now they go. Foolish girls. Hey, officer in charge. Baby police. Foolish people.
Where are those boys?
We tried to catch them, but they were faster than birds. We could not arrest them.
Shut up!
Yes, sir.
Why did you shoot them?
Sir, we have no guns. That's not small children.
Shut up!
Yes, sir.
Now let me warn you. If by this evening those boys are not brought to book, I'll make sure you get paid. If not, fight for that. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now get out. Go and get those boys.
Yes, sir.
Get out!
Yes, sir.
Baby police, yo. Police bomboy. Baby police. Police. Small picking police, yo. Baby police. Baby police, yo. Bomboy police, yeah. Baby police. Police. Small picking police, yeah. Baby police, yo. Dada, now waiting, yo. Dada, organism. Why you want give your mother hypertension? Why you want give your uncle a heart attack? Because of your durable and wahala. Durable here, durable there.
Roger. What is this? 20 naira.
Yes, sir.
My friend, come down. All of you, come down. I'll offload.
Upload.
To the world now. Come down.
Quickly. Upload.
Come down.
just coming back.
Come
on, follow me, can pass. I go inside. Go inside. Officer, don't be like that, too. Why don't they collect 2 of us students? Don't be like that, too. Officer, don't be like that, too. Don't be like that, officer. Don't be like that, too. Don't be like that, too. Good market today, oh.
Baby police.
Stop! 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 Up this motor, my friend. Come here. Yes, Roger.
Bros, Roger, fast.
Roger. Do.
Come, my friend.
Make I come.
Fast.
Roger, stop. Do.
Roger.
Let's go!
Chai. Baby police, yo. Police bomboy. Baby.
Bring him back here.
Hey, now you people teach me this is what I want. I did do now?
Get to the station, you will tell us if we'll teach you.
Get him arrested.
Take him along. Take him.
Teach me this thing though. Leave me alone though. Leave me alone though. Not gonna leave me. Hey, mother.
Hey, see my pikin. Don't see my pikin, no.
Now let me that.
Hey,
come on, this one. Come on,
Hey, son, behold thy mother. Hey, officer, no my pikin. No my pikin, I don't have my pikin. Hey, son.
So now you born this baby police?
Officer, no my pikin. Hey,
see?
I don't do anything.
Wow, been a
mother, sorry.
Madam, come on.
Oh, yeah, stay here. I'm here for now. In the next. Just stay where you are.
You see, you
I said identify yourself